Imagine a battlefield where AI-powered drones fight without human pilots. A war where decisions are made in milliseconds. This is the future of warfare, and the HX-2 drone could be leading the charge. As the war in Ukraine rages on, new technology is reshaping the battlefield. And the HX-2 drone might be the most advanced weapon yet. So what exactly is the HX-2? It's an autonomous combat drone designed for high-speed reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even lethal strikes. Unlike traditional drones, the HX-2 doesn't rely on human pilots sitting in a control room. It uses artificial intelligence to operate, making it faster, more efficient, and harder to detect. Ukraine has been at the forefront of drone warfare, using everything from Turkish Bayraktar TB2S to homemade FPV drones. But the HX-2 could take things to the next level. This makes it especially dangerous for Russian forces, as it can operate in GPS-jammed environments, avoid detection, and even coordinate attacks with other drones. Russia has been relying heavily on Iranian-made Shahid drones and Lancet loitering munitions. But the HX-2 could shift the balance by outmaneuvering and outlasting them in the air. The HX-2 isn't just another drone. It's a step toward fully autonomous warfare. But that raises big questions. Will AI-powered drones make wars more brutal? Or could they reduce human casualties? Military experts warn that AI-controlled weapons could escalate conflicts by removing human decision-making. But for Ukraine, it could be a critical tool for survival against a larger enemy. The HX-2 drone could be the next evolution in modern warfare. If deployed in Ukraine, it might tip the scales against Russia's superior numbers. But the real question is, are we ready for a war where AI calls the shots? What do you think? Will AI drones change warfare forever? Or are we heading into dangerous territory? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more military analysis.